and welcome to Llyane TV, the place to be if you want to become fully bilingual and if you want to conquer the other half of the world when you go to Paris. My name is Llyane Stanfield, and today I would like to give you a few tips that will help you make sentences like I opened the door too quickly. I will open the jar for my mom. I like to open my gifts right when I get them. All these sentences use the verb ouvrir to open at different tenses. So let's see how we can say all this in French.
J'ouvre, tu ouvres, il ouvre, elle ouvre, nous ouvrons, vous ouvrez, ils ouvrent, elles ouvrent. I open, you open, he opens, she opens, we open, you open, they open, masculine and feminine. J'ouvre, tu ouvres, il ouvre, elle ouvre, nous ouvrons, vous ouvrez, ils ouvrent, elles ouvrent.
J'ai ouvert, I opened. Tu as ouvert, you opened. Il a ouvert, he opened. Elle a ouvert, she opened. Nous avons ouvert, we opened. Vous avez ouvert, you opened. Ils ont ouvert, they opened, masculine. Elles ont ouvert, they opened, feminine. J'ai ouvert, tu as ouvert, il a ouvert, elle a ouvert, nous avons ouvert, vous avez ouvert, ils ont ouvert, elles ont ouvert. J'ouvrirai, I will open. Tu ouvriras, you will open. Il ouvrira, he will open. Elle ouvrira, she will open. Nous ouvrirons, we will open. Vous ouvrirez, you will open. Ils ouvriront, they will open, masculine. Elles ouvriront, they will open, feminine. J'ouvrirai, tu ouvriras, il ouvrira, elle ouvrira, nous ouvrirons, vous ouvrirez, ils ouvriront, elles ouvriront. J'ouvrais, I was opening. Tu ouvrais, you were opening. Il ouvrait, he was opening. Elle ouvrait, she was opening. Nous ouvrions, we were opening. Vous ouvriez, you were opening. Ils ouvraient, they were opening, masculine. Elles ouvraient, they were opening, féminine. J'ouvrais, tu ouvrais, il ouvrait, elle ouvrait, nous ouvrions, vous ouvriez, ils ouvraient, elles ouvraient. J'avais ouvert, I had opened. Tu avais ouvert, you had opened. Il avait ouvert, he had opened. Elle avait ouvert, she had opened. Nous avions ouvert, we had opened. Vous aviez ouvert, you had opened. Ils avaient ouvert, they had opened, masculine. Elles avaient ouvert. They had opened, feminine. J'avais ouvert, tu avais ouvert, il avait ouvert, elle avait ouvert, nous avions ouvert, vous aviez ouvert, ils avaient ouvert, elles avaient ouvert. J'ouvrirai, I would open. Tu ouvrirais, you would open. Il ouvrirait, he would open. Elle ouvrirait, she would open. Nous ouvririons, we would open. Vous ouvririez, you would open. Ils ouvriraient, they would open, masculine. Elles ouvriraient, they would open, feminine. J'ouvrirai, tu ouvrirais, il ouvrirait, elle ouvrirait. Nous ouvririons, vous ouvririez, ils ouvriraient, elles ouvriraient. And now it is your turn to post right under this video your questions and comments, and of course 3 sentences using your favorite 3 tenses in the French language. Of course, the big social media party, the question answers and community happen on the Llyane.com blog, so please come on over, don't miss that fun. And if you like this video, please click the like button so that other people can find it quickly. And if you would like to receive from me other insights that I can only share by email, plus my one-of-a-kind Parisian French crash course, please come on over to Llyane.com and subscribe to the newsletter. Merci beaucoup et à mardi. Stay on your game and don't ever give up on your dream to become bilingual. The world needs your enthusiasm when you go to Paris and conquer the other half of the world.
Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.